Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to the mesmerizing biofluorescence of birds of paradise, a phenomenon freshly unveiled by researchers at the American Museum of Natural History and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. In a study published on February 26, 2025, in Royal Society Open Science, they found that 37 of the 45 species glow vibrantly. Especially males who use this radiance to dazzle during courtship and hierarchy displays. Spanning eastern Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea, these birds thrive in sun-soaked forests, their luminescence amplified by nature's canvas, with insights from museum specimens dating back to the 1800s. This discovery highlights a hidden layer of their allure. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. Picture this: a forest aglow with hidden light, where birds of paradise strut their stuff. Scientists from the American Museum of Natural History and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln have uncovered for the first time a widespread phenomenon. In a study published on February 26, 2025, in the journal Royal Society Open Science, they revealed that 37 of the 45 known species of these birds emit a special luminescence. Examining museum specimens, some gathered as far back as the 1800s, they discovered this glow isn't just for show. Among males, it amplifies their hierarchy and mating displays, a radiant badge of prowess. What exactly is biofluorescence, you ask? It's a mesmerizing trick of nature. An organism soaks up light, reshapes it, like an artist with a palette, and casts it forth in a new hue. Leading this exploration, Renee Martin, an assistant professor at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, reflected on her time as a postdoctoral researcher at the museum. The unique mating rituals and displays of birds of paradise have captivated scientists, sparking countless studies on trait evolution and sexual selection. How fitting that these flamboyant creatures are likely flashing secret signals to one another in such vivid splendor. Across eastern Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea, these birds bask near the equator, bathed in relentless sunlight year-round. Here, dense forest canopies weave a tapestry of light and shadow, perfect for amplifying biofluorescent signals. Emily Carr, a PhD student at the museum's Richard Gilder Graduate School, observed, "These birds dwell where solar brilliance abounds, and the forest's intricate light play enhances their glowing displays. In males, this radiance dances across feathers on the head, neck, and belly, plus the inner mouth, bill, and feet, regions spotlighted during their elaborate performances. Females, though, shimmer more subtly, their glow confined mostly to chest and belly plumage. John Sparks, a museum curator and ichthyologist, has chased this glow across the tree of life. From sharks to turtles to corals, he's illuminated hundreds of species with a custom setup, ultraviolet and blue lights paired with emission filters. A decade ago, he teamed up with museum ornithologists, scouring their vast collection for hints of biofluorescence in birds famed for courtship flair. With over 10,000 avian species described, boasting brilliant plumage, intricate dances, and keen vision, it's astonishing how few have probed this glowing mystery, Sparks marveled. Bowerbirds and fairy wrens stayed dim, but birds of paradise? They erupted in vivid green-yellow brilliance. Martin and Carr built on Sparks' spark of discovery, revealing that ultraviolet light, not just blue, ignites this fluorescence. Imagine the males, their vibrant skin and feathers pulsing with light during displays. Studies of related species hint that the pigments in their eyes, tuned to peaks around 520 nanometers and 560 nanometers, catch these glowing patterns perfectly. This suggests they perceive the radiance, a luminous contrast against their dark feathers, likely vital for wooing mates and asserting dominance. Funding flowed from the American Museum of Natural History's Department of Ichthyology, the Richard Gilder Graduate School, and the Gerstner Scholarship. Together, these resources lit the way for this breakthrough, proving that in the avian world, sometimes it's the unseen shimmer that steals the show.
To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.